Snoring is suffocating. And when
Mm,
you really break it down to that, we've got to get down and dirty on this. If you're snoring, you're suffocating.
Yeah.
Said another way, if we push our jaw out like this, like Humphrey Bogart,
mhm.
and you breathe, you can breathe well. But when you lay back and your jaw falls back, okay, we're suffocating. And if you're
Mm,
suffocating, then the entire night you're trying to make it through. It's a panic mode. You're
mhm.
suffocating. It's like being choked all night. And this leads us into a lot of our research on what we call the cell danger response.